Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment. Today we are covering one interesting topic, that is eutrophication. What is the eutrophication, student? It is the enrichment of the nutrients in water bodies but due to the fertilizers and treated sewage. Means when the fertilizers containing water move back to the water sources, then due to that the nutrients are increased in the water sources, and that process is known as eutrophication. So what is the definition of it? The nutrient enrichment of water bodies by fertilizers run off from fields or treated sewage. Means when the fertilizer containing water or the sewage water move towards the water sources, then due to that the nutrients are enriched in the water sources, and this process is known as eutrophication. Many times you observe, student, the farmers irrigate their fields, and due to the overflow of the water at the time of the irrigation, then that water moves back to the water sources, and at that time that water have the fertilizers. So those fertilizers also move with water in the water sources, and due to that water source or particular water body have the more and more nutrients in it, and due to having more nutrients, the growth of algae are increased, and this process is known as algal bloom. Means when the growth of algae is increased in the water bodies due to having more and more nutrients, that process is known as, or that incident is known as algal bloom. And due to having the algal bloom in the water bodies, the oxygen demand is also increased, because plants also do the respiration like the animals, and the algae come in the category of the plants. So biological oxygen demand, means the BOD, is also increased, and due to which the aquatic animals that are found in the water, those aquatic animals don't have the proper amount of the oxygen. Due to that, they are killed. Now, due to this, the plants like the algae and the aquatic animals have the decomposition due to the decomposers like the fungi or the bacteria, or there are some other aquatic decomposers. They start the decomposition of them, and due to that decomposition, again there is BOD is increased, student, biological oxygen demand is increased, and due to the decomposition of those components or organic components, that water become toxic, because due to the time of the decomposition, it releases many toxic substances in the water, and that water is harmful for the animals. So it is the shortcoming of the eutrophication, student. So what is the eutrophication? Eutrophication is the process in which the nutrients are enriched due to having fertilizers or sewage water, and due to this there is algal bloom, and due to the algal bloom the BOD is increased, and due to increasing the BOD the aquatic animals are killed, and due to killing the aquatic animals or the plants, that water becomes toxic, due to the decomposition of the organic substances. So this important topic you will try to learn, and because in this 3 important terms we are covering. First is eutrophication, second is algal bloom, third is biological oxygen demand. So you will try to cover and you will write this important topic in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.